Woodturning gained popularity among hobbyists and professional craftsmen alike, with bowl turning being one of the most rewarding projects.
A quality wood lathe is essential for achieving smooth, symmetrical, and finely finished results. This guide, list number 1.
WEN LA3424, 4.5 amp, 12-inch by 18-inch 5-speed benchtop wood lathe. The WEN LA3424 offers a great balance of power and precision for beginners and experienced woodturners. Its 4.5 amp motor delivers smooth performance across 5 variable speeds, ranging from 520 to 3400 RPM, making it ideal for bowl turning and other small projects. The 12-inch by 18-inch work area provides ample space, while its solid cast iron construction ensures durability and minimal vibration. Tool rest adjustment is simple, and the MT2 spindle and tailstock taper allow compatibility with a wide range of accessories. Affordable yet reliable, this lathe is a solid choice for bowl-making enthusiasts.
List 2. UF Sharp 5/8-inch bowl gouge for wood lathe. The UF Sharp 5/8-inch bowl gouge is a must-have tool for shaping and hollowing bowls. Crafted from high-speed steel, it offers excellent edge retention, reducing the need for frequent sharpening during long turning sessions. The deep flute design allows for efficient wood removal while maintaining control over cuts, even on hardwoods. Its comfortable handle ensures a firm grip, minimizing fatigue during prolonged use. This gouge is a great addition for woodworkers who value precision, durability, and smooth finishes in their bowl turning projects.
List number 3. CX Carbide Tip Wood Lathe Turning Tool Set with Bowl Sander. The CX Carbide Tip Turning Tool Set is perfect for turners who want versatility and ease of use. Featuring carbide tip tools, it offers long-lasting sharpness and requires minimal sharpening compared to traditional high-speed steel. The set includes roughing, finishing, and detail tools, along with a convenient bowl sander for smooth finishes. Ergonomically designed handles provide a comfortable grip, while the solid construction ensures control and accuracy. This set is ideal for beginners looking for an all-in-one solution, and experienced users seeking efficiency and precision in bowl turning.
List number DEF Carbide Tip Wood Lathe Turning Tool Set with Bowl Sander. Similar to the 6XS set, the D-Fine Carbide Tip Tool Set is designed for reliability and ease of use. The carbide inserts stay sharp longer, allowing smooth cutting and shaping without constant sharpening. The included bowl sander makes finishing easier, delivering smooth surfaces with minimal effort. With tools for roughing, hollowing, and finishing, this set provides everything needed to create professional quality wooden bowls. Durable handles and solid tool construction ensure stability, making it a great value for serious woodturners and hobbyists alike.
List 5.
Peachtree Woodworking Supply Bowl Sander Toolkit with dual bearing head and hardwood handle. The Peachtree Woodworking Bowl Sander Toolkit is a specialized accessory designed to achieve flawless finishes on turned bowls. The dual bearing head allows smooth rotation, preventing swirl marks and burns while sanding. The hardwood handle provides excellent balance and control, making sanding easier and more precise. Compatible with various sanding pad sizes, it allows progressive sanding for ultra-smooth results. This kit is an excellent companion to any wood lathe, helping turn rough-turned bowls into beautifully finished works of art.